There are two voter lists that need to be printed throughout the day, one at 11 o'clock in the morning and one at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The voter lists are printed right from our printer. In order to get to that point, our managers will need to go back to the main screen. We'll need to go into the Manage System tab, tap on the Updates and Lists, tap on the Voted List button, and then tap on Voted List Print on the right-hand side. At that point, all the voters' names that we have processed so far will come printing out on our little printer. When you're done with that, close out that function, go back to Issue Ballots, and you can search the roster again. To searching by the voter's last name. Managers and assistant managers will only need to go to one tablet in order to process that 11 o'clock and 4 o'clock voter list.